So guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is going to be a quick video. So this right here, we have the Bitech USB-A to USB-C lanyard. It's pretty interesting. This actually fits in between your charger port. You put your phone on top of it to lock it in, and then you have yourself a nice arm strap. So how this part works, you see this switch right here? You just press this upward and twist. You have the USB-A, and then you do the same thing to this side, and you have the USB-C. And then when you want to put it back, you just push it back in and twist upward. Just make sure you match up this with the little groove right here, and that is how it locks in. Not bad at all. Like when I first initially bought this, I wish it was USB-C to USB-C, but it's not a big deal. It came from Five Below, so can't really complain about that. Now, in order to turn it to a lanyard, let me show you how it's done. So we're going to take this out of the case. You are, depending on the charger port, you're probably going to have to squeeze this. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to squeeze that to make it fit in here. There we go. I'm gonna pull that in. To be honest with you, there might be an easier way to do this. let me do. Let's see if there's an easier way. Matter of fact, let me see if this bends. And it does. Awesome. So I want to take this off. I want to place this. And can I place it inside of here this way? I hope I can. It'll be a lot easier if I can. Yeah, I can. Awesome. So instead, I took that off the lanyard piece. I stuck this in here like so. From there, we are going to place the phone inside. There we go. So I don't have to struggle so much. And as you can see, it's not going to come out now because the phone is inside the case and it's holding it in the same spot. Now I have a clear case so you can see where it sits, so you have an idea where it is. If you don't have a clear case, this is how it's going to sit underneath. Now, we're going to hook this back right here. Let me see, where does it begin? Where does it end? Here we are. And boom, you are done. You got your lanyard here. It's nice and strong. And because this is a thick cable and this piece is pretty thick, it's not going anywhere. Now, I do want to go ahead and say, if you choose to not use this, remember, you can hook something else to this and turn it to a lanyard also and have a different strap. But I personally like this one because it came with it. It's not bad. It's not a little bad extra piece. And if I choose to take this off, I have the option to do so, switch it around like I said before. But for about $5 at Five Below, this is not a bad purchase. That way, all the time, you will have a USB-A and a USB-C cable always on you. And yeah, that's pretty much the video. So anyway, like and subscribe like always, guys. I expect you. I'll see y'all in the next video. Till then, take care, peace, God bless, and I am out.